Hello, Windows Universe! Michael with the Windows Club giving you another look under the hood of this computing machine we call Windows 10. Now, if you've watched any of our videos, you know I make no secret of how much I enjoy the Windows Troubleshooter. I mean, how many other things in your life offer a self-diagnostic and self-repair? So you need to run the troubleshooter for hardware and devices. In this video we will go over how to do that, and as always we will link a wonderfully informative article in the description down below. So usually if you wanted to open a troubleshooter, I would just tell you to go to Settings, go to Update and Security, and click on the troubleshooter. And then, choose Hardware and Devices. However, with the 1809 update to Windows, it's not there anymore. Well, it's technically still there, but you've got to take an extra step in order to get there. So we have to find another way in. Open a command prompt, Administrative Access, and type in msdt.exe space ID device diagnostic, and that's all one word. And whenever I say that's all one word, I kind of feel like Bob Ross with, oh, let's type in some happy trees. Hit enter, and as you can see, the hardware troubleshooter opens up in a dialog box. That's it. Do you use Troubleshooter? And does it bug you that Microsoft made it harder to access this feature? Tell us in the comments down below. And for this and thousands of other tips, tricks, hacks, fixes, how-tos, hints, and the latest Windows 10 news, go to our website at thewindowsclub.com. And do not forget to give us a thumbs up on this video so we can feel the love. And while you're at it, subscribe, where we are always uploading new content to make your digital world even better. Thanks and have a wonderful day.